Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart on your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I made a very simple example. I have two columns, one with name and the second one with sale. So what I would like to see, I would like to see the sales according to the person name, and I want it in graphical presentation. So I will select the data without heading, and then from the Insert tab, there is a chart area that has multiple charts. I will go with the pie chart. There are 2D and the 3D pie chart. I personally prefer 3D pie chart. It looks more nicer. I click on this one. A pie chart has been created. I can move the chart. I can move the chart within the worksheet, and I can resize it from the corners to make it look smaller, and then I can move its position, and I can change the title of the chart. Click on the chart title and then backspace, and whatever you want to type, you can type it and click outside the chart area, and then you can also move the title as well. So what I would like to see, I would like to see the sales figures within this chart area. So I will select this chart. You can see the little notes, it has been selected, and then there is a plus button on the side. Click on this one and then take data labels. When you take this one, you can see the figures are appearing within the chart area according to the name and according to the respective color. So this is how you can create the data labels. Another thing is, if you don't want border around your chart area, so double click on this chart, and then you can see on the side there is a window pop-up that called the format chart area. From the border, you can see no line option. If you tick this option, the border has been removed around the chart area, you can see now. So if you want the different design of the pie chart, there are different design under the design tab, and you can select the different color, different size, and the different background color as well. So this is how you create a pie chart on your data. So hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.